Good evening and welcome back. So I had some of the Gyan shared for you on the Bank Nifty setup. So if you're really interested, you can refer to the Bank Nifty setup. I feel it will be helpful for you. So coming directly to the Nifty setup for 15th of April, that is on the expiry day. Number one, the pattern formations, as it is clearly in front of you. We caught, or rather we are caught into a downward sloping channel at the moment. There has been a steep fall. Now this is the bounce that is taking place at the moment. If you look at on the daily time frame, this is the clear trend which is being seen on the Nifty. The red band that you see, this entire band, is the same band that we see on the daily time frame. Okay, so this has been number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the 5th test it made today. Okay, and this is just a bounce as of yet. There is no sort of reversal indication at the moment. This is just a bounce which is just taken place at the moment. Okay, with respect to the entries on Nifty on the expiry day, we have made a drastic fall or a very steep fall from this level to this level, and this much is what so far covered. So if Nifty on Thursday manages to breach the level of 14,640 odd, which is above this support. So this support is around 14,580, but we know that after 14,580 we got an OI resistance at 14,600. Okay, hence if Nifty manages to breach the level of 14,650, okay, which is also the breakout of the high of this fall that we had day before yesterday. So if it manages to break out the level of 14,650, we are going to expect the target for Nifty, the immediate one, will be 14,750. It is not going to stop there. It will be approaching the levels of 14,800 to 850 as well. On Nifty, we are going to look for the target of 14,750 to 14,850 as well. Okay, but what if it indicates that it is trying to break out somewhere around here, and high probability that it may get caught at 14,600, which is OI resistance as well as the channel resistance. Quite possible it may get caught there. With any indication or any initial sort of reversal pattern, we will be entering into short out here itself. Okay, with an immediate expectation of targets to be somewhere around 14,470 to 14,440. Okay, these are the series of support which can hurdle the fall on the Nifty. But going by the experience and going by the logic, if it fails to break this out decisively, then it is going to test the low which is being made out here, which is a target for that day as well, which is 14,245. Now if 14,245 is getting tested, so my theory says it will not stop or not halt there. It is going to test the levels of 14,100 to 14,090 as well. So that is how we are going to look out for the momentum and setup for Nifty. Okay, moving on to number 2, OI support and rather the OI data. So at 14,400 we got 16.8 lakh of a put shorts, which is moderate support at the moment. We closed Nifty at 14,500 levels, so 100 points down from the spot levels. We got moderate support, not too strong. Had it been a case that we got 25 lakhs odd of put shorts, could have considered it to be a strong support. 14,500 got 14.3 lakh of a put shorts along with the 13.4 lakh of a call short. Sorry, this is call shorts, not the put. We'll make an edit here. Call shorts. So this is going to be a tussle zone. We got 15.8 lakh of a call shorts, which is again not a very strong resistance, but it is sort of a moderate resistance. Okay, so the level that we are talking somewhere around here, it is moderate resistance at the moment. Now it depends how it opens on Thursday. If it opens sideways, if it opens a bit of gap up, gap down, that will trigger the addition of call short buildup or put short buildup at that moment. So just wait and watch how it turns out to be. Number 3, strikes to be entered. If you are entering above 14,650, you can select 14,650 CE, 700 CE, or 750. No, not 750, just 650 or 700 CE, because Thursday being the expiry, so don't go too far. Don't trade with the OTM options. Try to remain with ITM or the ATM options at the max. If you are entering shorts, now it depends which is the level we are entering shorts. If you are entering shorts right at the levels of 14,550, then we will be choosing 14,550 PE, or at the max 14,500 PE. So just make a note, wherever you enter, ensure you select the very ATM strike from the spot. If you are finding it difficult to get into that ATM strike, choose the immediate next one. Number 3, strikes we have covered. Number 4, overall trend for the market is still bearish on the charts. Overall trend I'm talking about. Trend for the next session, which is Thursday, I will keep it indecisive at the moment. Okay, let's see how it opens. Let's see how the data formations get formed, which direction most of the traders are intending to trade. Then we will be deciding if we are going to enter into long or short trade. In order to get associated with me, you need to follow 2 things. Join me at 888 Trade Telegram channel. Link is shared in the description box. Or along with that, you need to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please do like it. Please do share it, and hit the bell icon for the instant updates. Thank you.